Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teachers and distinguished guests and honorable students, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, let me admit that it's a privilege and honor for me to be here among you and talk to you about yourself. I also belong to this city, Gujranwala. Gujranwala, a city where young girls rarely saw women in police uniform, especially at the senior rank. But I am standing here today in front of you and talking about women empowerment and role and responsibilities of women. That is a living proof that barriers are meant to be broken. Today I will not talk about policing alone, but I will talk about a force that is more impactful, more powerful than any authority and rank, and that is women entrepreneurship, a movement which is rewriting the global leadership. This is a fact that across the world, women, they are establishing companies that innovate, inspire, and transform societies. They are creating technology startups, sustainable fashion brands, social enterprises, innovation in health department, and all this proving that success is not limited by gender. We live in a society, we live in a world where your audience is global, your competition is global, your opportunities are global. If a small idea, even a small idea born in this university, it can reach to the outer world. It can reach Dubai, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Europe, America, Canada, because we are living in a global village. So the young people, what they are doing, they are not waiting for any opportunities, but they are creating these opportunities for themselves. So what you need to do is, can you tell me? You have to lead the world because you belong in leadership. You belong in business. Whatever you are studying, it may be engineering, law, medicine, arts, social work, whatever you are studying, what you have to do, you have to think. You can start with smaller ideas and then think globally and act fearlessly. This is our role which we have to play in our society if we really want to uplift the other women, if we really want to bring some positive changes in our society. And now, through this platform, taking the benefit of this platform, I want to request our young men, because I can see a lot of people who are young and men are also here to celebrate this day with us. Your role in this world, I believe, this is my personal opinion, that your role in this world is not that of competition with us, but it is more of collaboration, support, coordination. So support the women, because a healthy and progressive society is built when both men and women, they rise together and equally. So support the women, because when you support the women, society succeed. It is not only the success of women, but it is a success of families, and ultimately the success of that society, that nation, and the success of our country, Pakistan. In the last, I will talk to the girls specifically on one point. Young girls, don't wait for a person, don't wait for a prince who will come with a crown to make you a queen, but build your own kingdom. Claim your own space in this world and never trade your dignity with anything. Always dream boldly and lead bravely. There was a time when I was exactly like you, a student with bigger dreams than her circumstances. If I had listened to the people at that time, I would not be here, standing here in this uniform, talking to you about the women empowerment and presenting myself as an empowered woman in front of all these educated men. Thank you so much.